Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. Today we are going to see the recipe of fried rice. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Here we have 1 cup of shredded cabbage, some finely chopped green capsicum, finely chopped carrots, green peas, few green chili slits, some ginger, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, some oil and steam rice. Heat some oil in a wok. To the hot oil, add the ginger and green chilies. Then add the carrots and stir fry for few seconds. Then add the capsicum and green peas and saute for few seconds. Then add the shredded cabbage and again saute for few seconds. Here we don't want the veggies to be completely cooked as we have to retain the crunch in the veggies. Now add salt as per taste, some soy sauce and give it a mix. Add the rice and mix everything well. The simple and easy fried rice is ready. Serve the hot fried rice right away. Do try this simple recipe in your kitchen and let me know your feedback and comments in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.